Next unit in biology, that is ecology. In that ecology, the first topic is organisms and the population. Organisms and population. Here ecology means it is the branch of science. Ecology is the branch of science. Deals with the study of interaction. Deals with the study of interactions among the individuals. Among individuals and their environment. In a given area, that is called ecology. Ecology is the branch of science deals with interaction among the individuals and environment, that is called as ecology. Ramdeo Mishra, regarded as father of ecology. Ramdeo Mishra regarded as father of ecology. Here ecology means it is the branch of science deals with the interaction or deals with the study of interaction among the individuals and their environment, that is called as ecology. Here the father of ecology regarded as Ramdeo Mishra. Anyway, in the case of ecology, the first topic, that is organisms and population. Here, basically, in the case of ecology, occurrence of four basic components. One of the component that is called organisms, population, community, and biome. These are the major four levels of ecology. Here the ecology can be classified into four levels. The major levels in the case of ecology: organisms, population, community, and biome. Here organisms is considered as small level of ecological hierarchy. The living component, it means organism means living component at individual level. Living component of the environment at a individual level, that is called as organism. The living component of the environment at the individual level, that is called as organism. And come to that population. Population means sum total of all the individuals. Total of all the individuals of a species, in given geographical area, that is called as population. Sum total of all individuals of species in a given geographical area, that is called as a population. Next component, that is community. Here the community means assemblage of all the population, assemblage of all populations, assemblage of all populations of different species, all populations of different species in a given area, that is called as a community. Here community means assemblage of all the populations of different species present in a given area, that is called as a community. And one more level, that is called as a biome. Here biome means large unit area, consisting of major vegetation types, and associated with fauna, in a specific climatic zone, that is called as biome. Large unit area consisting of major vegetation types associated with fauna in a specific climatic zone, that is called as a biome. Here the major ecological levels in the case of ecology: organisms, population, community, and biome. Here organisms means living component in the environment at the individual level, that is called as an organism. The ecology at organismic level, that is called as physiological ecology. One more component, population, sum total of all the individuals of a species in a given geographical area, that is called as a population. Here the community means assemblage of all the populations of different species in a geographical area, that is called as a community. Here the communities which are classified into different types of communities. Assemblage of plants, usually called plant community. Assemblage of animals called animal community, and assemblage of microbes, that is called as microbial community. There are three different types of communities: plant community, animal community, and microbial community. The last level in the case of ecology, that is biome. Here the biome means large unit area consisting of major vegetation types associated with fauna in a specific climatic zone, that is called as biome. In the case of biome, all over the world, the major biomes in the world which are classified into different biomes. One of the biome, that is called as desert biome, grassland desert biome, rainforest biome, and tundra biome. The majorly around the world occurrence of four biomes: desert biome, grassland biome, rainforest biome, which are formed based on mean annual intensity and duration of temperature and mean annual precipitation. It means rainfall. Based on the rainfall, based on the temperature, occurrence of four biomes in the world: desert biome, grassland biome, rainforest biome, and tundra biome, which are formed due to variations in temperature and precipitation, means rainfall. Here, the different biomes which are formed in the case of environment, which are desert, grassland, rainforest, and tundra biomes. Next, come to environment. Here, environment means total of all physical and biotic conditions which support or influence of organism in terms of survival and reproduce. That is called environment. Total of all the physical and biotic conditions which influence of the organism in terms of survival and reproduce, that is called as environment. In the case of environment, occurrence of different seasons which will occur particularly in the case of environment due to a rotation of earth around the sun, and also tilting of earth on its axis. Due to these conditions, in the case of environment, occurrence of different seasons. Here, the formation in the case of environment, occurrence of different biomes. You know that different biomes includes desert biome, grassland biome, rainforest biome, and tundra biomes. Here, four different types of biomes, which are formed due to the temperature and rainfall formation of different biomes in the environment. The graphical representation of different biomes in the environment, that to be shows. Here it is the mean mean precipitation. It is the axis in which the temperature that will be shows from minus 15 degrees Celsius, minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, etc. Here, precipitation rainfall is represented in terms of centimeters. Here, in which occurrence of centimeters, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, etc. These are the main 70, 80, 90, 100, etc. It is the mean rainfall. It is the graphical representation of different biome. Mean temperature against mean annual mean precipitation. The mean precipitation rainfall is represented in terms of centimeters. It starts from 50 centimeter, 100, 150, 200, so on. Here the temperature ranges, range of temperature from minus 15 to minus 10, minus 5, 0, and up to that 25, 30, etc. It is the graphical representation of different biome. In the case of mean temperature and precipitation, it is the graph that shows Arctic and tundra biome. Arctic and tundra biome, and it is the representation of coniferous forest and temperate. It is the graph that shows temperate forest biome. It is the graph that represents temperate forest biome. Temperate forest biome. It is the representation. It is the graph that represents grassland biome, and it is the representation of desert biome. It is the graphical representation of different biomes in the world, in which majorly Arctic and alpine tundra biome. It is the graph that shows coniferous forest biome. It is the representation of temperate forest biome that shows temperate. It is the one that is called tropical. It is called tropical. Tropical forest biome. It is a temperate forest biome, tropical forest biome, grassland biome, desert biome. Particularly in the case of different biomes, occurrence of its own mean temperature and mean precipitation. Particularly in this biome, the temperature is very less. Temperature is also increases. It means 25 degrees Celsius, more than that, 25 degrees Celsius, and rainfall is also maximum. Precipitation is also maximum. maximum, particularly in the case of a tropical forest biome. But in the case of desert biome, the rainfall is very less, precipitation is very less, and temperature is increases up to 30 degrees Celsius or more than 10 degrees Celsius. What is that occurrence of one kind of biome that is called as desert biome. Here that is a graphical representation of different biomes in the world. It is a diagram shown in textbook. Mean annual precipitation represent in terms of centimeters, and mean annual temperature in terms of degrees Celsius. That should be starts from temperature starts from minus 15 to plus 30, and mean precipitation, annual precipitation starts from 50 centimeters to 450 and more than that. Here in this graph, occurrence of different biomes. First one, Arctic and alpine tundra. Second, coniferous forest. Temperate forest, tropical forest, grassland, and desert. It is the graphical representation of different biomes in the world.